Hello students, I am very happy to meet you through this video. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic. Before that, I will ask some questions. When does the sun rise? Good, the sun rises in the morning. How do you feel in the morning? We feel very fresh and active in the morning. Okay, what are the things you see in the morning time? Can you tell me? Rising sun, beautiful flowers, birds, etc. How many days are there in a week? You are right. There are 7 days in a week. Do you like holidays? Yes, everyone like holidays. What day is before Tuesday? Of course, Monday. How do you feel when you are going to school on Monday? Yes, some students feel very happy and some of them feel boring. Okay, students, can you guess the topic? We are going to see the topic on Monday morning. On Monday morning, written by Mark Twain. Let us know about the author. Mark Twain. Mark Twain is the pen name of the famous American writer Samuel L. Clemens. He was born on 30th November 1835 and died on 21st April 1910. He was praised as the greatest humorist, one who writes in a funny way and makes others laugh. His famous work was The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, published in the year 1876, and The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn was published in the year 1885. This story, On Monday Morning, is one such story adapted from The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Okay, let us know about the characters. Tom Sawyer is the main character. Sid, Tom's younger brother. Mary, Tom's cousin sister. Aunt Polly, sister of his dead mother. Let's now start the story. This story is in 3 parts. Part 1 is about Tom Sawyer's plan. Part 2, conversation between Tom Sawyer and Sid. Part 3, conversation between Tom Sawyer and his Aunt Polly. Let us begin with Part 1, students. It was on Monday morning. Tom Sawyer found it hard and miserable going to school like many of you and some of your friends seen after 2 days of weekend holidays. This naughty boy woke up one Monday morning thinking many planned to avoid going to school. First, he found that he had stomachache, but soon it vanished and became nothing. Then he continued to investigate or check throughout his body for some elements to find reason not to go to school. Then he noticed one of his teeth was loose, but he thought to himself, if he made his complaint, his Aunt Polly would pull out his tooth. So he dropped that idea. At last, he remembered once a doctor advising a patient about a sore toe, which held up a patient for 2 or 3 weeks on bed. Now, he felt this idea would work out. So, he drew or took his sore toe from the bedsheet and held it top, kept it for inspection. Slowly, he started groaning. Groaning means making painful sound. Shall we move to part 2? Sid was the younger brother of Tom Sawyer, for loved more and believed him in all the times. Sid was in deep sleep and snored on. Tom Sawyer shook him to wake up, telling his imaginary sickness. Tom Sawyer was panting and groaning louder and louder. Seeing that, Sid believed and felt bad for his sleep, and he was shocked to see Tom Sawyer's condition. Tom pleaded Sid to forgive all his mistakes and told to hand over his window sash, and he caught with one eye to the new girl who has come to town. Tom Sawyer told Sid that he was going to die. Sid rushed downstairs to call Aunt Polly. We saved Tom Sawyer from dying. Okay, students, we move on to the part 3. Hearing Sid's words, Aunt Polly rushed and came running upstairs to see Tom Sawyer. He was dying due to his sore toe. Aunt Polly understood quickly that Tom had a plan. He was only pretending or acting. Tom felt a little foolish about his performance, yet he informed about Aunt Polly about his loose tooth. He examined and checked all his teeth and found one tooth was loose. She asked Mary to bring a silk thread and chunk of fire to pull out his tooth. But Tom Sawyer requested his Aunt Polly not to pull it out, and he confessed her also that he didn't want to keep away from school. But still, Aunt Polly pulled out his tooth with the help of silk thread and chunk of fire. Okay, students, let me summarize the story in few words. Tom Sawyer, a naughty boy, framed many plans to avoid going to school on one Monday morning. Finally, he pretended that he was dying due to sore toe. Sid, younger brother, believed it and called his aunt to save Tom from dying. But Polly understood his plan to stay home from school and go for fishing. She pulled out his tooth and made him stay on bed. Though Tom always tried to break her heart by mischievous activities, still she loved him more. Students, I hope the story was clear and understandable for you. We will see the evaluation part in the next video.